today on Nelson Boy's Awesome Videos, we're going to be doing a rocket foam experiment. So out of this beaker right here, a bunch of foam will be coming out when we're finished. So you can do this activity or you can watch, but the things you will need are a beaker, and if you don't have like a beaker, you can just use like a cup or something, but the beaker is the best way. Hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, you can use any color. We chose red. A small bowl. Yeast, you can get this at grocery stores, or you might have some. Some measuring spoons for the measurements. A measuring cup for some of the larger measurements. Some warm water, and dish soap.
And one thing I'd like to say really quick is, if you don't have the beaker, you could just use like really any old water bottle, like either.
Yeah, just empty it out.
Yeah.
You can use small ones and big ones. If you use a small one, the foam probably will come out like more. But let's get started. And if you don't have enough of this stuff that we're using, you can just like half the recipe if you want. So first step is carefully mix 2 teaspoons of yeast and 4 tablespoons of warm water in a bowl. So the bowl, yeah. We'll prepare it and then we'll show you what it looks like when you're done.
1, 2.
So we're just getting our 4 tablespoons of water, and just make sure there's 4 tablespoons of water and 2 teaspoons of yeast, because you don't want to mess up that. Also, it's okay if that one's not warm, the rest of it will be. Okay, and then we need 2 teaspoons of yeast. Okay, I'm going to do our yeast. This is 1 teaspoon. Okay, so yeast is brown stuff, and it makes bread rise when you cook it.
Yeah.
Miles has made bread before. Me and Tucker haven't.
Yeah,
Miles is more of a baker than we are.
Yeah.
The yeast kind of smells weird, though.
Oh, yeah, too, right?
Yeah. It smells like kind of weird, so, but it's okay. And then just make sure to mix it up with the water.
The foam doesn't smell weird.
The what does?
The foam.
No, the foam is cool. Like, you can play with it, kind of.
Smell weird.
Okay, the next step is,
yeah.
okay, we've already done that. Just put the beaker in a container so it doesn't get it everywhere. But if you're doing this outside and your parents are fine with it getting all on the floor outside, that is okay. Okay, then.
That's why bread rises with yeast. I didn't know that.
Yeah, bread rises with yeast. Then you need to mix a half cup of hydrogen peroxide into the beaker. So that's this, not the bowl. The bowl can stay aside until the last step.
Oh, yeah.
Are we doing a whole cup because we're doubling?
No,
Oh.
I'm saying the double. So yeah, like just remember if you want. Oh, Miles, you can take off the whole top. Do you want me to do this on that? Okay. We're just spraying hydrogen peroxide into the cup. Okay, Miles, you almost done there? I think it's there, right? A little bit more? Okay. And for this step, you should use a measuring cup because it has the marking lines on it, and it's easier to pour into your beaker because it has a little spot to pour.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Then pour that right into the beaker.
And if you want to have like paper towels or something handy, just in
You
case.
should definitely put your the beaker or cup inside of a container or baking pan when you're doing this, so it doesn't get all over the floor. You don't want your parents to walk in and be like, "What is going on in here?" Okay, then you need to mix 1 teaspoon of dish soap. So wash this out. And 5 drops of your food coloring into the beaker, and then swirl the beaker around. So I'll put the drops in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just one of these or 2 of these?
1 full of that.
Are we doubling?
Yeah, 1 full of that, 1 teaspoon. Usually it's a half teaspoon.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, and I need 10 drops of food coloring then.
Can I pour this in?
Just let me put some more drops of that. Okay, now, and then just swirl around the cup or beaker. Be careful not to get it everywhere. And this is a pretty messy experiment. Kind of looks like a
Hummingbird?
potion. Yeah, like hummingbird feeder stuff. Then take your bowl, with the yeast mixture mixed with the water and quickly pour it, but carefully, into the thing. And then let's see what happens.
Ooh. Oh, it looks like
Whoa.
it's activating.
Whoa. It's
Oh.
foaming up.
Oh,
Whoa.
that's good.
It's going everywhere.
That's
Whoa.
Whoa, it feels weird. Like, it's like,
It looks like a
Foamy.
shake.
yeah, it kind of looks like an In-N-Out shake, but it doesn't
Yeah.
feel like one. It feels more like just like a weird foam.
It feels like foam soap, but not as like it feels like foam soap, but like more runny.
It's getting, and like this is like really fun to just like squeeze. Like it's not like slime though.
And you like go like this.
I don't really like slime.
Yeah, and like it just keeps coming out, but slowly after.
But once it stops, you can
Once
like,
it
dump
stops, you can like
out.
wash this out. You can dump out the beaker, and then you can just play with it for a little bit, or you can do this again.
If you haven't like.
And if you could like do different colors and like mix them up.
And then like you can.
Doubling at work.
Yeah, this is way more than last time.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
did it.
we
once.
made
We
it
done this
before.
once. So like this was just like I found a science kit that I got a long time ago, and I was like, I'll just give this away. But then Miles wanted to look into it, and then we found this like the rocket foam in it, and it's pretty fun. Because I had only done one thing and it didn't really work. It was like being able to hold bubbles without them popping
We
or
should do
something.
some more of these science videos. It's cool.
Yeah, if you like these, we'll make some more. But I have a quick announcement. We just started a new Nelson Boys Google Classroom that you should really join. We'll be doing like giveaways and like fun events there. And there's also like some surveys to see what kind of videos you guys like. But to get there, just go to Google Classroom, press the plus button up in the corner, and then say join class and put in the code GASV67A. And then that will help you join the Nelson Boys Google Classroom class. And
like still
you should really do that. And also be sure to like this video and to subscribe to us so you can see some more awesome Nelson Boys videos. And tell your friends, because that Google Classroom thing, it's going to be really fun. And hopefully you guys like this video. But other than that, see you guys later.